Here with Steve. Okay, Steve just got himself a camera all over his house. Okay, and also a doorbell camera, another doorbell camera gone. Okay, so Steve, how do you like your service?
So far, so good.
Yeah, you like it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, when you are not home, you can see what's happening all around, and also there was a robbery, armed robbery around here,
Yeah, about a block and a half away. Yeah.
and then so you thought of getting this thing.
That's what. Yeah, that's
You know,
what
your
prompted
neighbor-
us to do it, and the neighbors have it, and
And then we'll have our service, so they told you
yeah,
about
they
us.
gave us the recommendation.
Exactly. Thank you very much, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.